The all-new CB1000R is the top of the range of the Neo Sports Café family. The Plus model comes with an up and down quick shifter to give the bike a much more sporty feel by allowing you to just focus on gear change without having to worry about the clutch. While the Plus version has a quick shifter fitted from factory, it can also be fitted to the standard CB1000R. The quick shifter doesn't take long to get used to, and once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. For more information, come and see us in store or give us a call.